Hi guys, we're here at Brid. It's a Sunday and it is a lovely day. The sea's quite lovely blue colour. We're using fresh blacks tipped with a bit of squid, and we might lob a big bait out to see if there's any schoolie bass or bigger bass. So I'll bring you back when we're at the mark, guys. There's my rods and reels, guys. Bit of worm tipped with a bit of squid on one and just plain squid on the other two up flapper rig. What a stunning day. There's the harbour there. That's Brid Town just over there. Lovely. Right, I'll bring you back, guys. Right, guys, I'm going to get this other rod out. I've baited up a bit of squid on each one. What, just in close? Hell, that went far as well. That went miles. The tide seems to be dragging from left to right. Right guys, I'll bring you back. Just casted another one out. Right, I'm going to give this another lob out, Colin. Yeah? I'm going to give this one just a gentle lob. A gentle lob. I'm not going far out with this one. I'm just going to try off the edge. Just a gentle lobberoonie. Cheers. Trying close.
Yes, go away from the edge. That's right.
Right guys, I'll bring you back. Right guys, I'm going to give this other rod a belt out. Two up flapper, 2 bits of squid. Let's go. You're getting a bite again.
There's a disabled bird down here.
That went out at some. A disabled bird. I don't know how she knows it's disabled, like. Right guys, I'll bring you back. Right, I'm going to reel these in and cast over there, I think.
Look what I reeled in.
7-ounce lead.
I do know it's that.
I can tell a bit size of it. Ah, fish! I've caught a fish!
What is it?
It's a rockling. Guys, rockling, blank out. Blank saver. Who's not blanking? Look at that Colin, mate.
We don't see it.
You're so good there, thanks, one.
They could bite.
Oh, the bite.
What's that for?
What?
1-1. Hey up. Nice little rockling, guys. I can't really show you properly because it's slipping all over. Ugh, getting back. Right, guys, I'll bring you back. I'm going to bring this other rod in. Not sure whether that were a seagull or fish. Oh my God, there's some weight though. I do. You just had a right bite. I hope I'm not over your line.
You might be off his line. It's just on it again. Oh, no, you're not.
Just have to keep trying so you can get it on.
Second rod's been stripped. Right, I'm going to move a bit further down that way. Right, guys, I'm going to get these lob out again. That's one thumped out. There we go. And then the next one, this one's got a bit of mackerel on it. There you go, both rods are fishing, guys. My brother's just had this nice place.
You'll be stealing my fish for your videos.
Yeah, Donny Danglers. Go on, lad. Right, I'll bring you back, guys. Well in, Jay.
It's delicately up that, literally. Just slid it out.
Whoa, nice one. The police are in town then, guys. I'll bring you back. Are you dancing for YouTube, Esme? Right, watch out then, I'm going to reel this rod in. See if there's out on here, guys. I think I've got a crab on. Esme, watch out, wait a minute.
So guess what?
What? Oh, yeah.
I just went down. You lost it.
A fish?
Yeah. It's not. Oh, not that. Oh my God.
Hey, up! Hey!
Go so down.
Fish on!
Yeah, I think that's how you got from the
Guys, just caught this nice dab. Watch out. Right, I'll just get this. I'll get this off and then I'll get back to you guys. Eating your Colin.
I don't know how it happened, but it did.
It hasn't fell over, has it? Oh, I thought you said my camera had fell over. Is that fish swam off? Oh my God, it's there flapping about with nuts.
The countdown. Oh yeah. The countdown's up. Look, I think. Wait, how do you do your thing? How do you do that thing up there? Wait, let me feel it.
Wait, nice dab, guys.
Woo!
bring you back. Turns into a fish.
There you go.
Is that a place as well?
No, you know me.
Oh yeah, just a little dab.
Stab that.
Right, I'll bring you back, guys. Well, I'll keep you on while I cast out. This recast. How far out were you for place, Jay? Just using 2 bits of worm. Is it? All right. I don't think personally for place you need to be that far out. Right guys, I'll bring you back. Right guys, I'm bringing that rod in. I've just had a hell of a bite. Yeah? A fish again? Is it out on? No, it's been trying to strip me, probably a crab. But one bait's still on, so good, I'm out. One up strip, but there's still a worm on the other one. Let's try this one. What the hell? I'm not sure it was biting. Come on, please be a fish, be a fish, be a fish. Nah, not this time, so I'm just gonna lob it out again. Alright guys, I'll bring you back when I'm into a fish. Right, come away from it. Guys, I've got a fish on. Esme, don't go at camera, just wait there. Esme, come over here. No, leave that.
Eat that. Eat that shit, not fish.
I think I've missed it. I think I've eagered it.
Yeah.
Right, I'll just bring that other rod in, then I'm going to go and get some chips because I'm starving.
Bring them back here.
Yeah, it's only on end there. No note on them. They're strips, them baits. Right, guys, I'll bring you back. Right, guys, I'm back. Just covering. Casting back out now. Captain Rooney. That's well out there. set back up? Right guys, I'll bring you back if we get out on. Right, I'll bring you back. Alright guys, nice little dab.
Right, look all popping.
Right, I'm going to pop this back and I'll get back to you. Guys, I'm going to lob this out, rebait it up, squid on each one. Did you see that? Lovely stuff, guys. Right, I'll bring you back when we get some fish, guys. Alright guys, I'm just going to reel this rod and I think I've got fish on. I'm certain I've got one on. I can feel it pulling. Oh, yeah. There's some in there, but I don't know whether it's come off when I've been reeling it in. Why is it going that way? Oh man, you're lying. Oh, I'm off now. No, you're not. Oh no, I'm not. I am now. No, you're not. Right, might as well wham that back out. Might as well wham that back out. I'm just going to drop it off the edge here.
I thought I had a big fish.
You had a John Dory fish. Hi. Yes, mate. Yes, mate. Don't, because you're not camera over. Right. Bye, guys. Right, guys. Me and Esme's gonna reel in at the same time. Go on, Esme. We'll try and see if we get a double up pull. Right, go. Reel, reel, reel. Keep reeling, Ez. Go on. She's trying, bless her. Go on, Esme.
Which way? Which way? I don't know.
That way. Forward. Towards the sea. She's Esme's trying, look. They're hard to reel, aren't they?
Yeah, wait, in your half?
Yeah, it was at first, but it's coming now.
Because you're going to have a kid. The world will be. I hate it then.
Have you got it, Ez?
Dada, I'm having done wheel in.
That's it, Ez, they bring it over, it's it reeled in now.
Ah! So dumb.
Esme, stay here.
Yes, stay there, 'cause I'm doing pendulum again. What the hell's up with this? Let me allow that a bit. Right guys, that was a bit hectic. I'll bring you back. Right guys and girls, me and Esme's gonna reel in. Go on Esme, get on your rod.
Pick me up, Carl.
No, get on the red one. Right, 3, 2, 1, go. Come on Esme, keep reeling. Look at the blesser. Come on Esme. Reel. Remember to walk, yeah, that way, Esme, that way.
Did that make it go out?
That way.
This way?
Yeah, towards the sea, that's it. Keep your rod up though, pull your rod up in there.
I can't.
Wait there, I'll get on you now. Oh, I've caught a fish, guys! Hey, a little dabby do. That'll do, that's one fish. I'll get this put back, Esme, and then I'll help you with that one.
Don't cut it out and move out as well.
There you go guys, nice little dab. Loads of these. Alright, release him. Esme, don't tell me. Right, stand here. Stand here in front of me. Right, let go, Phil.
You want that in?
Yeah. Get the out on. out on it, has he?
I don't believe that. I don't think
Out on it. Ah. Right guys, I'll bring you back.
Mami como, mami como. No me aguanto.
Guys, I'm gonna lob this out, rebate it up, squid on each one. Did you see that? Lovely stuff, guys. Right, I'll bring you back when we get some fish, guys. Right, guys, that's it from us. I've just packed down my rods. I hope Esme was entertaining my little niece. They've come over from Doncaster, my brother and my sisters. And they're Donny Danglers. So yeah, I hope if you like what I do, please like, comment and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now, guys.